события развиваются?
Я сказал очень. Саш, ну чё, как тебе в Дубае собрать макет?
Жарко.
Be taking away the sound of, because as I explained, you see the series, like, for example, the wind, let's imagine this thing is in here.
Hi, your name?
Денис.
Dennis,
Your
good to
name?
see you.
Mohammed.
Mohammed, yeah. How are you? Fine.
Как дела?
Как дела?
Good.
Хорошо.
Because the wind will be hitting this blade, it can also hit this blade. So, because of the conflict, it will make sound.
Yeah.
For example, if you're holding the packet in your hand, the plastic one, it has sound.
Вот аэродинамический щит.
This is aerodynamic shield on the wing in the right direction.
И когда ветер приходит вот так,
So you need someone to control.
No, it's gonna be automatic.
автомат, лучше пошел.
This invention, out of 450,000 innovations of the year, it became one of the top 100.
Все документы есть.
It has all the documents approved.
Да. Скажи, только 5 наградили в Российской Академии Наук, видео есть.
Only 5
Пять
of them
человек
were
из 45
inaugurated
тысяч.
in Academy of Science in
Самое
Russia.
главное, да.
This is the actual, this is... or such design. So any design could be, could be done. No, he's planning to go to Expo. He's planning to go to
This
Expo.
should be there.
Yeah. He's planning to go to that. Yeah.
This should be there.
I don't know who's like I have some connections on our organizer,
Yeah.
but I think if you want to present this at the pavilion, Russian pavilion, it should be there
Он говорит, что обязательно тебе нужно на Экспо русский павильон
because it's very.
под камеры.
No, I don't want me to be.
Он не хочет его.
Все.
Technology is really very interesting.
Это очень интересная технология.
Да. Чем больше ее знаешь, тем больше любишь.
The more you understand about it, the more you will like it.
Пожить надо.
No, I really like it, but I want to make it